All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency, mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit cards to get all your rewards back in Bitcoin. All kinds of good stuff. Today, we're going to be talking about the cryptocurrency internet computer. Yeah, this is a super awesome cryptocurrency. All kinds of good things going on with it. The cryptocurrency is up 12% in the last 24 hours. It's up 11% in the last 7 days, so there is some uptick. If you remember how much it was down last week, and I was talking about discount buy, well, it was down 20-some percent. It already brought back to 12%. So if you took that, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Also, we're going to be doing a price prediction of internet computer, and will this cryptocurrency skyrocket with the integration of Bitcoin? Maybe, maybe not. We'll see on that. Also, first-time owners of NFTs on internet computer like Bored Ape and Mutant Apes, they're going to be able to mint their NFTs and use those NFTs in games. So we're going to talk about that. Pretty interesting. And also, crypto.com and FTX, they're going to be spending millions of dollars on cryptocurrency ads during the Super Bowl. That's right, their most expensive ads during the Super Bowl, they're going to be cryptocurrency ads about crypto.com and FTX, Tom Brady, what he's getting into, this and that, all kinds of good stuff. Let's go ahead. Oh, don't forget, our agenda here is to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and yep, one day even own some cryptocurrency. Hey, let's head over to Internet Computer. All right, over here, Coin Market Cap. Internet Computer is the 38th best cryptocurrency on the planet. Now, Internet Computer is a cryptocurrency. It's being traded for $27.31. If you take a look here, it's up 14% in the last 24 hours, so 14%, and it's bounced back 11% in the last 7 days. So over here to the right, the coin is traded at $27.54. It's up about 12%. Take a look at that. Like when we were doing this a week ago, here we go. Take a look. It's down, 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 and guess what? You need your ATV to go up this mountain. So Internet Computer is bouncing back real good, 14% up right this second. Couple statistics, Internet Computer's price is $27.48. It has changed $3.41 in the last 24 hours. It's ranked number 38. It's got a market cap of $5.2 billion right now, fully diluted of $12.9 billion. So over here at the Twitter account, we're starting with this. The first-time owners and popular NFT collections, including Bored Ape, Mutant Apes, Cool Cats, will be able to use these existing NFTs to mint new and unique collectibles and utilize them in the game. Look what it says. We envision a meta sport basketball becoming a standard in NFT gaming, fixed character norm, and replacing them in open games where characters can be derived from almost any NFT. And then right below it, it says Meta Sports Basketball, an ICP and Ethereum NFT-based fantasy sport game, will allow users to port existing NFT collectibles to mint into game characters. So take a look at that. You can mint your NFTs into game characters. The Meta Sports Basketball turns NFT collectibles into playable characters. A decentralized studio building Web3 product has announced the launch of Meta Sports Basketball NFT-based fantasy. So all kinds of good stuff going over here with Internet Computer. Going over to the website, here's the beginning. Blockchain Singularity. Internet Computer Ecosystem. Internet Computer Blockchain only recently launched, but developers and entrepreneur activity. The Definity Foundation open source, the Internet Computer. We got all kinds of things right here that we're working with. Uniswap front end on the IC, Wall, Earth Wallet. All right, Internet Computer, all kinds of good stuff going on with that. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Again, we want to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency and every day, one day, own some cryptocurrency. All right, we're going to go over to talk about Super Bowl advertisements. FTX, Tom Brady, he's getting into something. He's doing a trade, cryptocurrency company, crypto.com. These guys are going to be spending millions of dollars during the Super Bowl. Well, let's check it out. Right here, crypto.com, FTX has shell out millions for Super Bowl ads. The crypto exchanges are capitalizing on the popularity of digital currency while attempting to separate themselves from the pack. You know, cryptocurrency exchanges are officially aiming to become mainstream, with Crypto.com and FTX both planning to run ads during the Super Bowl, the most watched annual television event in the country. You know, crypto.com, a single-based company, has especially active in getting its name out there. The company purchased exclusive naming rights for what was formerly known as the Staples Center of Los Angeles for $700 million over 20 years. The Super Bowl advertisements are the most expensive in the world, with the price of 30-second commercial averaging a cost of $5.5 million last year. So to run an ad for 30 seconds, $5.5 million. FTX and crypto.com is going to be all over the Super Bowl. We can talk about Tom Brady, what he's getting into. The cryptocurrencies have a breakthrough moment, with Bitcoin prices reaching record highs in recent months. Now crypto.com and FTX are looking to capitalize on digital currency moment in the sun. Earlier this year, FTX paid $135 million for a 19-year contract for the naming rights for the NBA Miami Heat. So guess what? FTX is going to be, for 19 years, the Miami Heat arena. And then Tom Brady in September announced he had secured NFL star Tom Brady and his model wife to a star in a $20 million ad campaign. There you go, everybody. Crypto.com and FTX to shell out millions for the Super Bowl ads. So yeah, let's think about that. We're going to be sitting there watching, and everybody's going to say, what's the best ad going to be? What do you think the best ad's going to be? I'm going to tell you my prediction right now. It's going to be a cryptocurrency ad, because literally the cryptocurrency companies are going to just do a super ad, and all of a sudden everybody's going to be like, you know, that crypto.com ad, that was the best. Let's go check. I don't know what the ads are, but I just have a feeling the best ads for the Super Bowl, I mean, $5.5 million, crypto.com and FTX. I can't wait to see what they're going to be, what kind of ads they're going to be placing. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Let's head back over to Internet Computer, do a little price prediction, do a little bit dig a little deeper in Internet Computer. It says right here, Internet price prediction. Will the ICP price rocket after Bitcoin's integration? Okay, Internet Computer launched a deal of excitement in May. As quickly as the excitement died, the coin price by June was around $30, and it kept swinging back between $30 to $70 until in December it crashed to the resistant level around $25. So right now the coin is $27, but it was based in between $30 to $70. Investors may be wondering if the new cryptocurrency has the potential for future growth. Let's find out what ICP is and the analysts think about the Internet Computer coin forecast. So here you go. This is the Internet Computer ICP price prediction. What is ICP? The blockchain that will spark an internet evolution. This project claims to be the third greatest innovation after Bitcoin, which plays the role of digital gold, and Ethereum, which has powered the decentralized finance DeFi revolution. Internet Computer has set an ambitious goal to reimagine how to build everything, creating a blockchain with infinite capacity. The platform enables developers to build anything from DeFi apps to mass marketing, social media services. What makes Internet Computer special? Internet Computer uses the decentralized protocol called ICP, Internet Computer Protocol, run by a network of independent data around the world. ICP price analyst, there is a massive rally ahead, everybody. This coin's traded at currently around $25 to $27, has a market cap of $4.8 million. It's also the 36th biggest cryptocurrency according to Coin Market Cap. So what are some of the price predictions? You know, Digital Coin shared a more bullish view on Internet Computer price movement. It estimates the ICP price could reach $38 by the end of the year, increasing to $47 by 2022, and move up to about $75 by 2025. And look at this, and hit $109 by the year 2028. So Digital Coin is definitely liking it. And a wallet investor considers Internet Computer a bad long-term investment. You know, it says $5.11 and then $9.19 by 2025. A wallet investor, it's already higher than that. So what's our price prediction? Again, it's around $27. I think this coin's going to go back up to 40. It was bouncing back between 30 to 70, so 40 should be pretty easy. All our information is for educational purposes only. There's so much going on with Internet Computer. There's so many different things you can do with it. All the popularity. I mean, this coin's definitely going to be going some places for sure. And right here, Internet Computer, $27, up 14%. Sandbox is up 22% in the last 24 hours. VeChain is up 10% in the last 24 hours. Mana is up 16% in the last 24 hours. Uniswap's up about 4% in the last 24 hours. Crypto.com, 14% last 24 hours. Shiba's up 12% last 24 hours. Cardano, 10% last 24 hours. Bitcoin is up 5%. It's actually crushed over the 50,000, 51,000. All right, everybody. Crypto.com and FTX going to been spending millions of dollars on Super Bowl ads. Internet computer. All kinds of good things going on with that. Let's check that out. Don't forget to hit the like button. Click right here to see our most recent video. Share this with your friends. Hey, everybody. Have a fantastic day today.